It says, what does it say? It says greater than, which is above, so y'all got to shade everything above the line. All right, we're good on 19. All right, 20, guys, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to plug in these same 5 numbers. What kind of shape is 20 going to make? A parabola. Now, do you have to worry about shading above or below on number 20? No, you don't. So I'm going to let y'all do that one by yourself. If I need to come help you at your desk, I will.
Is parabola a U?
Yes, sir. All right, but we need to go to 21. 21 is probably the most missed problem on the test every year. Ah. Okay, every problem that we have to have an XY chart, we plug in the same numbers, right? 0, 1, -1, 2, and -2. Guys, it's not going to work on this one. Let me show you why. If you try to plug in 0, 0 minus 4 is -4. Can you do the square root of -4? No, that's not going to work. So you can only plug in numbers. So when you subtract 4, you can get a perfect square. So the first number I'm going to plug in, I think we need to plug in positive 4. All right, because what's positive 4 going to give you if you plug it in? 0, and the square root of 0 is 0. I think that's a good one. All right, let's do another one. Let's do, you know, 8's okay. I don't have 8 spaces on my graph. Y'all have 8? All right, let's do 8. All right, what's 8 minus 4? Square root of 4. What's square root of 4 equal? 2. Now, don't forget on this problem, you got a plus or minus in front. What does that mean? One answer is positive 2, one answer is negative 2. Okay, where did I get them from? How can I explain this? Allison, you can only pick certain numbers so that when you subtract 4, your answer will be a perfect square. So, could I plug in 6? Let's think about it. 6 minus 4 would give you square root of 2. You can't do that one, Allison, because there is no square root of 2. So I'm just going through and trying different numbers to see if they'll work. So there's really no set way to pick numbers on this one. Wish I could give you a rule. All right, so I go over 4 up 0 here, over 8 up 2, over 8 up 2, over 8 down 2. It makes a parabola that's sideways. Do I have to worry about shading on that one tomorrow? No, it's got an equal sign. Hey. You gotta send that back, all the way back. Send that back. Which one? All right, I'll come help you on 16 in a minute. All right, last one I'm going to help y'all with up here is 22. Let's do 22. I'll let y'all finish this up.
Was that a U or a V?
That makes a sideways U, add them like that.
Okay, thanks.
All right, let's do 22. All right, there's only one of these on Friday's test. All right, so first you have to graph y equals 3x minus 4. Everybody should be able to graph that. Go to -4, put a point. Okay, what is my rise over run right here?
3 over 1.
Good, up 3 over 1. Let's do that a few times, make some points. Okay, now we have to do this part. All right, doing this, guys, we're gonna erase half of that line. This shows us what they want you to keep. Go to 1, put an open circle on the line. Go to 1, follow it down where the line is, put an open circle. All right, do I draw a line on the right side of the circle or the left side of the circle? Look at your side. It says greater than, but which way does it point? Points right. That's where your line goes on the right side. You erase whatever's on the left side. All right, the second part is y equals -1. Now for this one, we just go to -1 on the y-axis, and you draw a line straight across. It's going to look like this. Now, this part is going to show us what they want you to keep. So I put a closed-in circle at -3 and a closed-in circle at 0. Let's do that. Closed-in circle at -3, closed-in circle at 0, and I draw a line in between. Okay, the last one says y equals -x. If we don't see a number behind -x, it's 0. So y'all go to 0, make a point. Down 1 over 1, make a bunch of points, going down 1 over 1. Now you guys figure out where to draw your line at. You're going to have to erase half of it, see if you can figure out which side you draw your line. All right, so put an open circle at 1. There's already an open circle there. And it's got less than, so we have to draw the line on the left side, and I erase everything there. All right, so y'all finish the ones you haven't finished. Bring them up. Set them right here when you get done. Staple them. If you got more than one graph sheet, staple them.